Monday, Labor Day, September 1st, 2025. Here's the Astro Excel chart for the month of September. Notice how we're above the zero line all the way until the 19th when we break down below till the 21st. Then we're back above it again. We have another little breakthrough the 24th, 25th. Other than that, the month is above zero. Above the zero line is generally positive, and then we can also follow the trend of the green line where we're down here to the 3rd, and then we're up and sideways above the plus 20, indicating general bullishness until the 8th, 9th, where we have a downward move into the 10th and a little double bottom on the 11th, right at the zero line. And then we have that really sharp move up above plus 40 here. That's a really strong move to the upside. That should be a good bullish period. And then we're across up above the 30 and 40 line until the 15th when we start to turn down. So we've got a pretty sharp downward move, even though we're in a generally bullish territory. We are pushing sharply down to that point on the 20th where we bottom out just about at the minus 30 level. And then we're up to the 21st, pushing down to the 24th, up to the 26th, down to the 27th, up to the 28th, down to the 29th, and then up to the 30th. And that is the look at the month ahead on the Astro Excel.